Good day, everyone. I'm Charlene E. Lizardi, the second reporter of Group 3, and my topic is about information about careers that involve art and creativity. So, if love nimo ang art o creative ka, dili lang ka basta kay painter or sculpture, daghay work nga mag-use sa imong artistic side. So, naay 6 ka unique careers nga dapat matun-an ug dapat buhaton. About ni siya sa lahi-lahi ng work nga makuha nimo if ganahan ka og art or creative ka. So first is craft and fine artist. So ang craft and fine artist, mao ni siya ang mga tao nga nag-creates og laing-laing klase sa arts such as pottery, paintings, or handmade jewelry. This career is very creative kay kinahanglan sila magunahuna og bag-ong idea and designs for their work. So ang uban nga artist ani is nagskwela og nagkuha og degree sa fine arts. Pero ang uban kay self-taught lang or nakabalo nga walay nagtudlo. Then ang ilang main goal jud is to make unique and meaningful pieces of art. Then ang pangkaduha is multimedia artist or animator. So kani siya is mao ni ang mga tao nga mogamit og computer og special nga software para makabuhat og visual para sa video games, salida sine and TV shows. They may design backgrounds for animated films, create characters, or use CGI or computer effects para mas murag tinuod ang mga scene. Then, kasagaran sa multimedia artist or animator is eskwela sa college and get a degree in computer graphics, animation, or art. Then, ang pangkatulo kay art director. Ang art director is a person in charge of the overall look and style of a project, like sa magazine, advertisement, or movie. And sila ang magkuan kanang magbuot sa colors, layout, og designs to make sure everything looks good and matches the idea of the project. Para mahimong art director, you usually need a college degree sa art or design, and dapat kanang nasay kanang work experience. And ang pangkaupat is photographer. So ang photographer is someone who takes pictures of people, events, places, or objects. Then ang uban is mag-focus sila sa special events like sa kasal. While ang uban is mag-work sila sa food, fashion, or business photography. Then kani nga jobs is need og kanang technical skills to use cameras and editing software og creativity para maka-capture og nindot og unique nga looks. To become a photographer, ang need lang ani is kanang high school diploma. Then ang next is museum curator. Ani siya is the person who takes care of museums collections and nag-organize sa exhibits or mga display para ma-enjoy ang mga visitors. And apila sab sa ilang work ang pagpangita og pag-check sa bag-ong artworks. Ang curators is need nila kanang creativity and strong knowledge sa art to make the display interesting and meaningful. Yung kasagaran sa museum curators kay na sila ay master's degree sa art history. Then ang pangkasunod is Ang last is performing arts manager or arts administrator. Is the person who helps arts organization like a theater or music group. They make sure the group works well both as a business and as a creative team. Then apil sa ilang work ang pagplan sa events, managing staff and talking to different people to keep everything organized. And kani nga job is need og anang both practical skills and creativity. So mao to sila ang unom ka unique careers na dapat matunan o dapat maton. Then next is the needed skills and qualifications of a career in art. So to build a career in art, having the right skills and qualifications is very important. Studying courses like events management, art, or kanang literature can be a good start. And many careers also require a college degree. Usahay pod ang uban is makasulod sa art industry pinaagi sa paggamit sa ilang skills gikan sa laing trabaho og pinaagi sa experience. So next is art dealer. So ang art dealer is a person who buys and sells artworks, acting as the middleman between artists and buyers such as collectors, galleries, or museums. Ang trabaho nila includes dealing or negotiating prices and selling art, networking or building connections with clients and collectors, and searching or looking for rare or valuable art pieces in galleries and markets. Then usahay sab sila is magbiyahe pa sila sa laing-laing cities or countries to find special artworks. Then naay kuan kanang main duties of an art dealer. So first is dealing. So ang dealing is mao ni siya ang pagpamaligya og pagpamalit og artwork. Apila diri ang pag-negotiate sa price o pag-arrange sa delivery. Then ang pangkaduha is networking. Ang networking is mao ni siya ang pag-create o kanang connection sa mga art collector, gallery owners, and other potential clients. Then ang pangkalast is searching. Ang searching is mao ni ang pagpangita og mga artwork sa gallery and markets. Then usahay lago sila kanang negotiate sa clients. Then para sa makakita sila mga unique na artwork is mobiyahe pa sila sa other cities and other countries. So mao na siya ang kuan tulo ka main duties of an art dealer: dealing, networking, searching. So next is art collectors. Ang art collectors are people who buy and collect artworks because they love and value them. They help support artists by believing in their talent and giving them opportunities to share their work. Then ang collector sab is maka-influence sa trends in the art world. By collecting and sharing art, they help preserve and promote contemporary art for others to experience and enjoy. So, mato siya ang art collectors. Then, ang last is art buyer. So, ang art buyer is a person who helps create advertising projects by finding and buying the right artwork or services while staying within a budget. They make sure nga matuman ang needs sa project o makigstorya sa mga supplier to get what is required. So ang art buyer is also mohandle sa contracts and purchase orders. They make sure all the details about usage and delivery are correct. Ang ilang job combines business skills with creativity to bring projects to life. Small siya sa art buyer.